Okay, everybody, this is Gino Preps back with you. I want you to see what I did yesterday. These are grapevines that I have here. And yesterday I put these trellises up. These are electrical conduit that I formed into a trellis shape, and then I have woven galvanized wire around that. So we're going to run these things up and down and round as they grow. So these are the red grapes, or the pink grapes rather, whatever you want to call them, red, pink. And these are the white grapes. The rest of the family likes the white grapes, but I like the pink grapes. So we're going to have some for them too. That way we'll have a good variety of grapes. So let's see what we got here on power. Okay, so we're going to do a real quick video here. I'm going to walk over here to a nice, cool, shady spot, and we're going to talk a little bit more. So you just follow me over here. We're going to get under this weeping cherry tree and talk a minute. All right, perfect place to go. All right, so those that have been with me for a long time on the channel realize I was doing prepping videos, and we were trying to help somebody for nothing. We weren't charging memberships or anything. Well, I ended up getting sick, and when I got sick about a year ago, I had to stop it all and pretty much lost all of our viewers. And I do understand that, but that's okay. So I found out about the AI and how that was going to be scrolling and scanning the internet, and how everybody that was doing any kind of prepping was going to be watched, and the videos were going to be scrutinized and gathering data on us. So we're going to transform the channel into an aerial drone photography channel, and maybe even vlogs or something. I'm going to give you updates on the storm over in Marshall, how the city was destroyed. I have footage already. We're going to go to lakes. We're going to go to beautiful scenery. And you just wait until fall comes and the leaves start changing colors. I'll be here to take you there. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go from prepping to aerial photography. And as you can imagine, it's going to be wonderful. We're going to go all kinds of places, lakes. We're going to go see the trees, the colors, and everything like that. So anyway, this drone wants to land, so I guess this is about the end of this battery. So we're going to take the drone home and just get ready, and I'll fill you in a little bit later as to what we're going to do and when we're going to do it. But it's going to be, you can still answer us and ask us questions in the video comment section. Okay? Don't forget that. So let's go land this bad boy.
Landing. Critically low battery warning.